Today I'm making a set of holiday earrings and charm. I had put aside some resin from my Kingfisher Suncatcher project, the link to which is in the description below. I'm casting the resin into these 3 rectangular molds because I want to make myself a dark colored canvas on which to craft my idea.
Step 1, wake up early, gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
These have set well. They have a little bit of transparency and shimmer thanks to the mica pigment.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
You can see that I did not fill the resin all the way up to the brim. I did it because I wanted a more slender look, and if I had filled it all the way, it would have looked like a brick.
Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood.
The back is well leveled, finished and bubble free. The transparency is just right. I will work on the other side. I have a holiday themed nail art sheet which I'm going to use on this to make a playful composition.
Try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try.
After applying every sticker, I'm making sure there are no air bubbles behind them. I sanded down the edges of the charm before applying the stickers here. These edges are raised and uneven and will become bulky with doming. I will sand them down and even the edge for both these earring pieces. These pieces are domed and ready for assembly. The layers of glitter and chameleon pigment have blended really well without overwhelming the design. You can see the subtle coppery shimmer in certain angles. I'm using copper colored earring accessories to assemble these earrings as I feel they will go best with the theme. This should be front facing. Right now it's side facing, so I will add another jump ring to turn it by 90 degrees. Thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays and have a wonderful day.